What's something people don't know about Instagram branding? I'll show you how to create a strong brand identity that stands out. All right, step 1. Define your brand. Think about your brand's mission and values. What makes you unique? Jot down keywords that represent your brand. Step 2. Create a consistent aesthetic. Use the same color palette, filters and fonts in your posts. This makes your feed look cohesive and professional. Moving on to step 3. Craft engaging content. Mix up your posts with photos, videos and stories. Show behind-the-scenes content to build a personal connection with your audience. Step 4. Use hashtags wisely. Research and use relevant hashtags to reach a larger audience. Don't overdo it, stick to 5-10 targeted hashtags per post. And finally, step 5. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages. Run polls and ask questions in your stories. Show that you value their input, and there you have it. 5 easy steps to master Instagram branding. Start today and watch your brand shine. Happy branding, everyone!